Hưng is tour guide is for district guide is from. And also, we come from Route 10T. And today, we are making the presentation about Christmas in Japan, one of the most worth exploring culture in Japan. Our presentation was divided into four main parts, including Christmas Day, a day off, and music, and also four best places to experience Christmas in Japan. Hope you enjoy. As you guys know, Christmas has already been widely celebrated in all Asian countries in general and Japanese in particular. In Japan, it's still not seen as a religious holiday and or celebration as there are not many Christians in Japan. And therefore, several customs came to Japan are originated in the such as sending and receiving Christmas cards and presents are popular. First of all, it's Christmas Day, and for all who take charge of preventing it.
About the Christmas Day, it's a holiday for lovers to hang out with the family or go for a walk and see the Christmas lights and have a romantic meal in a restaurant. It's also a holiday to spread happiness rather than religious celebrations.
Before presenting a day off, I have a question to you guys. Do Vietnamese children have a day off on Christmas? They more opinion. And Bang show you the difference in Japan.
Okay, a day off in Japan. Christmas is not a national holiday in Japan. However, often schools are closed on Christmas Day. The Emperor's birthday is a national holiday on the 23rd December. And there are also a New Year school break. So the holiday break often starts around the 23rd.
Not only Christmas Day and the day off think spotlight of our topic, also music play a crucial role on Christmas in Japan. Different from Vietnam, Japan has one piece of music is especially famous around Christmas and at the end of the year, and we call Beethoven Night Symphony, and this kind of act called the Art to Joy. This music is so incredibly famous and it's simply the one that Q, which means number 9. To emphasize and create a highlight of our topic, I would like to give you some of the best places to experience in Christmas in Japan. There's a huge range of destinations to consider if you are planning on experiencing Japanese Christmas, and there are also a fantastic array of activities to enjoy, from Christmas events to skiing and dancing on the hot spring. First of all, in Tokyo, and Bang will take charge of demonstrating it.
Tokyo. There is no place like capital to spend Christmas in Japan. While Tokyo is a fantastic city to visit any time of the year, in December there's a real burst of anticipation in the air. Many of the streets are completely lighted out in Christmas lights, decoration and illumination, while across the city are huge German-style Christmas market selling great food, hot wines, amongst many more attractions and rides.
So this assemble is a beautiful Christmas tree in Tokyo. Next, I will take you to the Tokyo Disneyland. It's one of the most interesting places you cannot miss when you visit Japan. A visit to Tokyo Disneyland is one of the most popular things you to do in Japan over Christmas. The theme park is the largest in the country. For years, it attracts many visitors to experience its rides and see the Disney magic. Over Christmas, the theme park is transformed into a beautiful winter wonderland. So, here is the Disneyland at night with many brilliant fireworks.
So it's Hokkaido.
Now I would like to take you to Hokkaido with me. Head north to Hokkaido for winter wonderland. The northernmost island is cold in December, but you can enjoy a white Christmas and even go skiing at many resorts found in the mountain. The largest city, Sapporo, celebrates Christmas inside too, and you can expect Christmas market.
Last but not least, Christmas market. Christmas markets are an increasingly popular event through the festive period. Almost major Japanese big cities and there are many smaller towns have an extremely dedicated Christmas market through December. To have a closer look and an opportunity to broaden your common knowledge, I am willing to give you a class about the Japanese. The Japanese love to adopt some of the customs around the world and make them their own. And obviously, there's no exception for market. This Christmas market takes inspiration from classic German market, which the country seems to have an enduring love affair with. And to conclusion, from my perspective, Tokyo is the best place to visit Christmas market. As you walk down the city, you will find several German theme markets around the city. You can expect some of the in your house bread, a lot of German bratwurst and some of the German sausages, and moreover, a plenty of hot mulled wine to keep away from the chill. Can you still guess? There's two common specialties in Christmas market. Take a guess. You guys go learn? Yeah. This is the hot mulled wine, and this second picture is German bratwurst. This is the end of our presentation. Hope you guys have an overall perspective of Christmas market. I am very appreciative for your attendance. Thanks for watching and listening our performance.